Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Noor Binti Ahmad Nazri and my partner Noor Bedriah Binti Munadi from Section 11, supervised by Dr. Noor Azizah Binti MohamadAli. Our final year project is a mobile application called i-Iyadah. i-Iyadah is a mobile application for the queuing time issue which allow users to track progress by scanning the QR code and freely wait for their turn where they feel comfortable to wait. Since clinic or hospital is always full with patients, people will focus more on the appointments and doctor schedules, but they tend to overlook this one issue of inconvenience waiting time or queuing time. People also tend to complain because of the long waiting time at the clinic or hospitals and they have nothing to do while waiting for their turn. A large number of people coming to the clinic for treatment can cause the clinic to be flooded, and the clinic only provided limited waiting seats. Therefore, people had to wait outside and caused them not to hear when their numbers were being called. The aim of this project is to help out people to keep track of their waiting number and ensure that they can wait at ease while waiting for their turn. This mobile application enables people to wait anywhere and everywhere without worrying about their turn being skipped or cancelled. Our three main objectives are to provide a platform for people to track their waiting number, to avoid the clinic from being crowded by the people waiting, and to enable people to keep standby or waiting for their turn anywhere or everywhere. For our development approach, we choose SDLC software development cycle, which consists of 6 phases, which are planning, analysis, design, implementation, maintenance, and testing. It helps in planning the project so that we can produce better results and satisfying the user's need. It also gives a clear planning and interaction between the users. Our targeted users are the IIUM community and the outpatient of IIUM clinic. Also, for IIUM students to avoid skipping classes just to wait for their turn and enable them to attend the classes well. It can also become proof to their lecturers and ask for early leave while they are in the class. For this case diagram, we focus on the two main user and the system. The action that can be done by the user and the system are login, register, view homepage, view scanner, view tracking number, create calendar, and view frequently asked questions. For the development tools, Canva has been implemented in creating the logo. Adobe XD is being used to design the prototype of the user interface. For further development of the application, Flutter and Xen will be used in the application process so that it can run smoothly on both Android and iOS devices. For the prototype, we include 4 main focus interfaces, which are homepage, QR scanner, tracking, and calendar. There are as well other interfaces, which are appointment, frequently asked questions, announcement, and profile interface.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Bedriah Binti Munadi and I will show you our demonstration on our mobile application prototype, which is i-Iyadah. So the first thing that you will see is our login interface. So if you already the current user of our application and you have account, so you just need to fulfill your username and password and then you can click login and it will direct it to the homepage. But if you are the new user to our account, you required to fulfill the registration form by click the sign up button and then you have to fulfill all the detail that we needed and you just click the register button. Once we approve your request, you will be directed to our homepage. In here, where we'll put all information that related to i-Iyadah. On the upper left side of our homepage is the clickable button of announcement. When you click here, it will direct it to all the list announcement of our current updated announcement regarding healthcare. So for example, you want to know about blood donation event, you can click here and it will show all the information, where the date, the time and venue of the event. And the same also with other list announcement like health volunteer. It also show all the information regarding of the event. So we can click back button and it will direct it to our homepage again. So let's move on. On the upper right side of our homepage is the clickable button of FAQ and user interface. When you click here, FAQ clickable button, it will direct you to FAQ where it shows all the frequently asked questions. So we put also another language to prevent any misunderstanding for user like Bahasa Melayu. So here user can choose whether they want to see the frequently asked question in Bahasa Melayu or English. So if you click the BM button, which is Bahasa Melayu button, the interface will change directly to Bahasa Melayu as user requested. So once you click the user profile clickable button, it will direct to your profile, which is all your information is being stated there, like your ID, your email, and then your state. Once you already finish doing your business with our application, you can log out from our application by clicking the logout button. Since we are not finished yet with our demonstration, let us continue with i-Iyadah scanner interface. Once you click the scanner button, it will direct to the scanner page. So to use this page, user need to go to IIUM clinic first to register manually by the IIUM clinic staff. So once you have the queuing number paper, you can scan the QR code that implement on the queuing paper. So once you already scan the QR code, it will directly show the instruction that say that your number is 3339 and you will be served shortly. Thank you. When you click the tracking interface, it will show you all the details regarding the tracking number. On the upper side, you can see your current number with the room number that you already been assigned to, and also the doctor that will check up on you later. Moreover, for the red text that's shown here is the countdown of the current people that waiting for their number to be called before your number. Along the time, the number will be updated accordingly. In many cases, you want to close up the application while waiting for your turn up to be called. i-Iyadah will notify you by giving you a reminder shortly after there is one more person waiting in line, and give you approximately time for you to wait nearest the clinic. Once your number being called, you will be given 5 minutes to show up before your number will be received and not valid anymore. So when you're already done with the checkup, you can click the done button, and system will give you a pop-up message indicating that you already finished checkup and your number will be received, and you can click OK for that. For calendar page, you can use it to add appointment for your next checkup. For reminder purpose only, this add up appointment not related with clinic. It purposely act as your personal assistant to remind you. So you have to do it by yourself. In the calendar page on the upper side, the function of arrow button to show which month you want to see. And the lower right side, you can click the plus button to start create your new appointment. And then once you fill up all the required detail, you can click save button to save your current appointment. System will show pop-up message indicate that your appointment already been saved, and you can click done for that. So here is your updated appointment as being shown in the calendar system. So that's all for i-Iyadah demo application, and thank you for your time and attention to view our video.